If your hair is shaped like a triangle, you're gonna wanna watch this video. My hair is slightly shaped like a triangle right now, and we're gonna walk through step by step how to make it a little bit more rounded. So welcome back to my channel. Hey curly friends, I am Barbara Delmonica, and in today's video, it's all about root volume / avoiding that triangle shape. You know what I'm talking about. The curls get all fat at the bottom, leaving the top of head of your hair looking flat. You can sort of see it on me right now. But fear not, there is a secret weapon that you can put in your curly hair arsenal, the Denman D17 Curl Volumizer Comb. If you're new here, I am the CEO and founder of Curls Monthly. Curls Monthly is a curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of the best curly hair products and accessories to your doorstep so you can try them before you buy them. Sometimes we'll even have accessories that you don't have to try before you buy. It's a full-size thing. Like this month, we have the Denman D17 Volumizer Comb. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, I will link that below so you can check it out for more info. This little guy may not look like much, but trust me, it can transform your curls by adding epic root lift. So let's dive in so I can teach you how to ditch the triangle hair for good. But actually, before we get to that, let's talk about why the triangle shape even happens in your hair. It can be a haircut issue. So if you don't have any type of layers to your hair, it's going to happen. Literally, no matter what you do, it's going to happen. So make sure that you are getting layers. Your layers don't have to be super choppy, short layers. You can just get longer layers. That's totally fine. But as long as your hair is layered, it's going to help with that roundness. A lot of times your hair is just doing that straight up because it's all one length. It's going to look like a triangle. Literally, no tip can help you except for a good haircut. Now, okay, we're gonna pretend that you have some layers in your hair. And now we're gonna focus on lifting the roots to get that voluminous, circular, rounded look. Basically what happens is our curls clump together. It's more heavy at the bottom, so it pulls down our curls at the top. So the Denman D17 is a comb specifically designed with these separated teeth to lift your roots. But the key is all in the technique. You can use this just like I did just now, and it will give you kind of like an instant root lift. Like a lot of times I'll just keep these in my purse for that on-the-go root lift. Or you can use them kind of more in depth to prevent your roots from drooping in the first place as you style, and that's what I'm about to show you right now. So for this routine, we are just going to use the Denman brush and slide it into our hair. Depending on where your hair is parted, you're going to slide it right next to your part. So you can do this if you have a middle part, side part, you name it. Hover diffuse that area for about 20 to 30 seconds. You can already see the difference of just styling right there, how different that makes my hair look. And then you're just going to follow your part line and do that all around the crown of your head. It's as easy as that. Here's the final results. The triangle shape is gone. It's a lot more rounded. The Denman D17 is a game changer for really anyone struggling with flat roots or triangle shaped hair. With a little practice, you can achieve salon-worthy curls right at home. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this brush before and what your root hack techniques are. See you next time.